available. AEB not available.
I mean, I would bet they have
Forward
some stuff
alert not
disabled
available.
on this car.
Forward alert not available. Press brake when starting. Left door open. Hood open.
Which it's not.
Emergency brake assist not available. Ignition is on.
Here we have plastic.
Right? So I want to see what's under everything.
Can we just...
What do the headers look like? Can't see. I see the transmission bell housing.
That's impressive. You can see a bell housing.
I mean, it would be hard to work on it even without the cover. The actual valve cover is 1.5 inches away from the actual firewall, sidewall.
Look at that balance. Sorry. Because the strut towers are right here.
Right.
Most
Well, your
of the
wheel's
engine's
right here.
behind it. No.
But how far is your wheel forward on this car compared to other cars?
Yeah, I see that. I mean, it's pretty far. It's in front of the motor.
It's in front of the motor.
Yeah.
Right.
So the balance is going to be good.
Yeah, definitely. Just take a moment to appreciate this glass roof, which you probably can't see inside, but oh my gosh. Front door, back door.
Okay.
The entire thing. That is awesome. British phone booth.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's
Tap to
hilarious.
connect phone. Oh my god. So this thing is on. I see. So she said, what, 394 horsepower and 512 torque. Not bad for an electric SUV. Tesla's got some competition now. Rear AC. Fully electric Jaguar crossover SUV I-Pace. It's a little larger than a hatchback car, but it's definitely lower than your typical, even midsize SUV. I dig it though. Lap times where?
Well, and it's also got
Ready to go.
That's awesome. These seats though.
So homey. So cozy.
Suede.
I'm holding evidence. Ready?
Yeah. Molded plastic intake, 3.5. But hey, you get barely larger than a CR-V, and you get the motor that's in the Pilot, but it's not as big and bulky.
Convenience.
280, 3.5. Sticker 3385. Black on black. Black edition. Honda Ridgeline. someone larger than me was sitting in this. There we go. Now I have room. Oh look, Honda Accord steering wheel. Since these are Honda Accord chassis. Interesting looking, has manual, or I should say mechanical dash gauges, and a screen in the middle. And of course the Ridgeline built-in trunk slash cooler. There's your drain. Fill it with ice, fill it with drinks, have a good time. Let's see if we can get this to open the other way. I mean, you could ice the whole body in there.
Cold brews go here.
Right.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
So I am sitting in the new Toyota Supra, and this is definitely a cockpit feel. It's not quite, not really reminiscent of the old one. Also, yeah, that is a low window, but the head space bumps up a good 5-6 inches. I just barely fit. Keyword barely. My legs definitely fit. Steering wheel, is it telescopic? Oh, there we go. Yep. Comfortable steering wheel position with my seat back, with my legs not feeling cramped. Not bad. Carbon fiber looks legit. I should turn it on. I want to hear what this sound system sounds like. I got a couple little subs back here. Bit of room back in the hatch. They have the cover gone. Pretty cool, pretty cool. My sister barely fits. Goodness. It is just cool, but small, but cool. Definitely smaller than the original. This Buick. What is it? Here's a wagon. What is it, like a Riva wagon? It is gorgeous. It is comfortable. I don't want to get out. Oh man. Wow. That is a ton of cargo space.
Look on the floor. Is that coming from the car?
So like, yep.
Wow.
So you can actually adjust the cargo all the way up here to give you room, or you can bring it back down here. Just looking.
email you information on the Tourex. It's power. Automatic? Go all the way yourself? No? Will it? Nice.
That is cool. Regal Tour X. That is awesome. That is pretty. Wagons aren't for everybody, but this thing is beautiful. Base price starting at $29,900. Not bad. As shown, 44.
How many cups
Pretty.
can you fit in a car? It's really nice. I like this wood accent. Oh, you beat me. How was it?
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
How was it? How's the handling on it? Good?
It's alright.